Welcome to the video guide for the Dr. TB SLDs Demand Workbook. This guide is designed to assist pharmacists and site in-charges in managing quarterly demand forecasting, stock management, and batch and expiry tracking effectively. Accurate data entry is vital. Your inputs directly affect the medicine supply for Dr. TB patients at your site. It helps prevent stockouts, reduces expired stock through proper tracking, and supports essential provincial planning decisions. The workbook consists of 4 main tabs. You will primarily work in the Site Data tab, where you enter your information. The other tabs, including Assumptions, Demand Sheet, and Expiry Tracker, are either reference tools or auto-update to simplify your workflow. Step 1 is to enter your site and patient information at the top of the Site Data tab. This includes your quarter, dates, submission details, and the number of patients currently on each treatment regimen. Step 2 involves recording stock movement per drug. For each row, track your opening balance, quantities received by month, consumption numbers, and any stock returned, issued, or expired during the quarter. Step 3 is crucial, recording batch numbers and expiry dates in the far right columns. Accuracy here is essential. Once entered, this information automatically populates the Expiry Tracker tab, saving you from manual retyping. The workbook simplifies your tasks by performing the math automatically. Based on your inputs, it calculates the adjusted demand, which represents the quantity your site should request, already rounded up to the nearest pack size. Use the Expiry Tracker to monitor FEFO, First Expiry, First Out status. Alerts range from critical for items expiring within 90 days, which require immediate distribution, to adequate for items with longer shelf lives. Step 4 is to generate, print, and sign. Open your Demand Sheet tab, print the single A4 page, sign as the preparer, obtain the necessary countersignature from your DHO or MS, and submit the original while keeping a photocopy on site. Before submitting, follow this checklist. Do enter data for every row, double-check your batch details, and save your file correctly. Avoid leaving critical fields blank, overwriting formulas, or retyping automated data. Thank you for your commitment to accurate data entry, which ensures the Dr. TB program runs without interruption. If you have any questions, please contact Dr. Maksud A. Bangesh at the Drug Management Unit of Provincial TB Control Program.